Experience on adopting children from the country of Russia. On the first trip, I got to bring my two biological sons, who were young at the time. They were like 6 and 10. These Russian kids were in an orphanage in Siberia. Now they're going to see what it's like not to be in the United States of America. Television? None. Water? Yeah. Let me tell you something about the water. There's no water. Where we were in Siberia, you can't drink the water. The water's not even clear. It's brown. I used to go to the area where the bottled water was in the markets and stuff, and I would pick up the bottle that had the least amount of floaties in it. My kids, they're exasperated on this trip, and I had to come back early. So eventually we got to Anchorage. The first thing my son did, the 10-year-old, he went in the bathroom in the Anchorage airport. He cupped his hand, and he started drinking the water. And I remember patting him on the back, and I said, "Isn't this country amazing?" And he looked up at me, and he says, "Dad, it's not even a comparison."